In this video, I'm going to walk you through Larry Benedict's latest special report called the Lost Decade Playbook. This is a fascinating report. I mean, it's really important that people understand this because I think 2026, according to Larry, it's going to be a highly volatile year where basically it's going to be wild swings both up and down, and this playbook sort of gives the reasons for that, but also gives you ways to profit from that as well. So I'm going to cover that for you and give you a synopsis. Then what I'm going to do is walk you through Larry Benedict's one ticker trader service, show you around what you get. So if you are interested in joining, at least you know everything that you're going to get. If at any point during the video you want to join one ticker trader, you can join for over 90% off for only $19. There's going to be a link in the comment description below. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below for $19. Right, let's get on with the video. So the Lost Decade Playbook, fascinating report. Now, according to Larry, 2026 is going to be a highly volatile year. And basically he's watching the price of gold and silver very, very closely, because Larry believes that gold and silver is oversold, especially silver. I mean, he basically said all the money, retail money and everything is flowing into silver at the moment. In fact, the SLV silver fund had more trading volume than the SPY, which follows the NASDAQ. So it gives you an idea of how sort of rampant silver is at the moment. But he says the problem is that whilst everyone's sort of piling money into silver, the actual physical silver market is stagnant. You know, people can't really sell much physical silver, and you know, the people who sort of melt it down and form it into other things aren't really buying it because they can't flog it. So basically he's expecting the price of gold to fall as much as 30, maybe 40%, more like 30%. And he said silver could go down as much as 50%. And he says if that happens, it's going to wipe out so many retail investors, because a lot of investors are using debt to take big bets on gold and silver. And if obviously it crashes, those margin call trades will be called in and they'll have to pay back the debt. Hence, they're going to have to liquidate their positions and their stock to pay the debt back. So that is going to cause the price to absolutely tank and people to disappear. So basically that is really what this is all about. But the big picture is that apart from gold and silver price potentially tanking this year, Larry thinks that we're entering a lost decade. Now basically the lost decade is where you have a stretch, up to 10 years or more of basically very to little growth. Basically Larry's expected 2026 to be very volatile, big swings in both directions, rises and falls, but he doesn't expect there to be much net growth, if any, in the major indexes as well. But also he goes on to say that there's 4 market forces forcing this, and I'm going to go into that. If you want to learn more about the Lost Decade, I'd highly recommend you read this report. But basically there's 4 forces combining, but it's basically going to cause the Lost Decade in a period of great volatility, but not much in the way of growth. But the positive side of this is Larry has given 3 of his best stocks in order to play the volatility. Because if you don't know, Larry is an options trader. He buys calls, he buys puts. And the beautiful thing about buying calls and buying puts is that you can profit whether a stock goes up in price or goes down. So Larry's favourite stocks, he's giving away his favourite stocks to trade, to place options on, so his followers can profit off the huge volatility that's going to be coming in the next 12 months, especially off gold and silver. So really that is the Lost Decade Playbook in a nutshell. Larry is basically saying 2026 could be one of the most profitable trading environments of our lifetime. There's going to be that much volatility, huge swings. There's going to be so many profitable trades that people can place. so that they can potentially make a lot of money from the markets this year, from the wild swings, using options. So that is basically the synopsis of the report. I'm going to rate this 5 out of 5. It's a fascinating read. So if you want to read this, highly recommend you join One Ticker Trader. The link in the comment description below where you can join for $19. Okay, so basically let me show you round. So the first thing you get is issues and updates. And Larry, one of the great things about issues and updates is Larry's market updates. Ask Larry anything. In these updates, recently Larry has been hammering the table that gold and silver is going to bust. In actual fact, I think gold and silver are already down, along with many other stocks and indices and everything else. So yeah, the craziness is only just beginning. And Ask Larry anything is great because he gives his market roundup, tells people how his trades are doing, but also you have the ability to ask Larry questions on trades or anything else about to do with the market. So it's a beautiful thing about the service. You also, more importantly, get all of Larry's trade alerts. You're going to get buy alerts and sell alerts telling you which options on the various stocks that he trades. And if you don't know how this works, and you probably don't, Larry picks one stock to trade each month. Depending on which stock is the most favorable in terms of price swings, Larry will pick a stock and he'll just trade that stock for the month. And you'll usually get 1 to 3 trades per month, depending on market and stock conditions. So that's the first thing you get. Next thing is all of the special reports. I've covered this one, but you've got the Great Wealth Shift. And in each one of these reports, Larry gives an opportunity and a stock that you can trade using options. I mean, you've got the One Ticker Retirement Plan, which is his core strategy of how to trade options. You've got the Skim Blueprint trades, number one, energy plays, gold plays, AI, crypto. You can, trade crypto with options. Tesla, just goes on and on. And you get all of these for free if you join One Ticker Trader. You get also the portfolio of all open positions. I must say, if you're at all skeptical about whether this is worth the money, Larry is a 40-year veteran of trading options, and his trade win streak in 2025 with One Ticker Trader was over 80%. In fact, it was between 80 and 85%. So he is on absolute fire in 2025, and he's already off to a great start in 2026 with his trade. So Larry is the real deal when it comes to basically options trading and predicting what the market's going to do. Then the last thing you get is all of the training videos. These are all of the videos you get of basically how to trade options and Larry's training course. So that is everything. So once you've gone through these 2 courses, you'll be set to start basically trading, placing Larry's trades, and you'll understand options and how they work. So that is everything you get. I've been a member since 2022. I love the service. I think it's brilliant. Can't recommend it highly enough. I rate the service 5 out of 5. If you're looking for an alternative strategy of how to profit from the markets rather than the usual buy and hold, why not give this service a try, and why not place a few Larry's options trades to see how you get on. You're going to be in great hands. If you want to join One Ticker Trader, link in the comment description below. You can join for $19. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you get all of the special reports for free. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below. That's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful, informative, and I'll speak to you soon.